Hey guys, super fast link today. I just wanted to show you another option for printing. For example, this website has a very overwhelming amount of ads and everything, but if you wanted just the article, you can use a website called Print Friendly and PDF. It's also a Chrome extension, so if you select the link, take it to printfriendly.com, paste it in, preview. The great thing about this site is that you can remove objects on the page so you don't print them at all, and then you can just keep doing this whatever you want. It ends up looking very clean, so you can then save it as a PDF, your new clean article, or you can print it or email it. If you want to get to the Chrome extension, you can go to printfriendly.com, get the browser extension right here, click Install Browser Extension, you click Add Chrome Extension, you click Add Extension right here. I've already downloaded it, but it'll end up looking like this. Then whenever you're on a website, all you do is click the button right there, and it goes automatically to the screen where you can edit it and print it out. Alright, that's all for today.